Hello and good morning. I'm meteorologist Sean McAday. Today, here's what I'm tracking and what you need to know this morning. First, today is really good exercise weather. Not too hot, not too cold, not too windy. You get the idea. That rain, there is a little bit of rain for today. That comes late today. Before most of us, it's really late. I'll just say that. So most of the day is good to get outside. A warm-up is brewing. It's been cold through the past weekend, as we know, and it's still going to be cold the next couple of days. By cold, I mean below average. We're going to flip that towards this weekend. But first, just to look at today, like I said, great day to go outside for a run or a bike ride because temps are in the 50s and 60s most of this morning and early afternoon. The winds are out of the southeast. They're really weak, like less than 10 miles per hour. It's a good day to get outside. Let's put it on the planner. Mostly cloudy skies this afternoon, a mix of sun and clouds this morning. The mostly cloudy skies are moving in out of the south because we're tracking a system moving in out of the south with rain towards this evening. So it's a mix of sun and clouds today. Here's when I think that rain starts to occur. It's for most of us after that afternoon and evening commute home. I'm thinking 6 to 7 in North Iowa and maybe like 8 to 9 or maybe even 10 p.m. in southern Minnesota. The rain is a lot heavier overnight and early tomorrow morning. It will be pretty light when it moves in at first later today. So let's put it on our SkyTracker 3 computer model. You'll see what I mean. Look, 5 p.m. Rain showers, just a couple of drops starting in North Iowa at this time. Temps in the low to mid 60s, similar high temperatures to yesterday. By 8 to 9 p.m., it's starting to move from the south to the north through southern Minnesota, and then it's raining all night long. At times, we could see some rumbles of thunder as the rain picks up in some spots, and that continues on and off all day long for Wednesday. Wednesday's a washout. High temperatures much cooler than yesterday, low to mid 50s. Not going to be a warm day. That rain's going to cool everything. So you will see rain tomorrow. You'll see a good amount of it. Thursday, we could see some stragglers left over, and Saturday, that chance for rain. I'll talk about that in a second, but that's a different type of storm coming our way. So this is really just going to be a long, prolonged rain shower event. And because of that, and because we could see rain for nearly 24 hours at times between this evening and tomorrow evening, some folks will see a lot of it. I'm expecting 1 to 1.5 inches to be our average. Some folks, of course, will see a little bit less, and some folks will see a lot more, as always is. You get some isolated amounts. And I'm not saying these are going to be exactly where, I'm not saying Cresco is going to get exactly over 2 inches. It's more that that's somewhat of what the map will look like. So I would expect 1 to 1.5 inches, but there is that upper end amount that, someone, not everyone, but someone will get. And tomorrow's not a good day to get outside, of course. It's going to rain all day. Gets a bit warmer on Thursday. Gets a lot warmer this weekend, a little bit more summer-like, up to 80 degrees Sunday, but that will introduce chances for storms.